welcome to my clean with me. Today I'm starting off with putting Bates Motel on my iPhone while I am cleaning. So today's video is just going to be a quick clean of the living room. It's going to be like a power hour, which is about how long it actually took. So I'm just cleaning up blankets and pillows and dirty dishes, you know, all that fun stuff that doesn't really necessarily belong in the living room, except for the pillows. I do leave those, and the blankets. But I mean, like, the dirty dishes and just, like, you know, the little messes that are made in the living room, that needed to go. Also, I'm cleaning out Maddie's corner, like the toy corner. I'm not throwing any toys away because I did that about 3 months ago, actually, in preparation for Christmas. So all of her toys are fine, however many there are. So I don't really care about that. I just wanted it to look better. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.
Coming down and hit the ground now.
I hope you enjoyed seeing today's video. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to see more like this. And I will see you guys in next Thursday's video. Bye everyone.